Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Love Jamaica Music and Food Festival, an evening of musical magic. Like bees to fresh pollen, you're bound to find Jamaicans by the numbers where there's good music. This was no exception for the inaugural staging of the Love Jamaica Music and Food Festival held on Saturday at the Mona Bowl, bringing Jamaicans together from near and far.
I'm from Toronto, Canada.
You guys flew in for the festival?
I flew in for two events.
Yes.
For this festival and for the St. Hugh's 125th anniversary celebration.
The late start did not dampen the mood of patrons as they eagerly waited to break out in choir to some of their favorite songs. The festival delivered an evening of pure musical bliss with performances from local and international acts.
Feel good. See when you're wrapped up in these arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel. So one more time. See, I feel so good.
Lost took to the stage shortly after Fennel, but as a trio, as Thriller U was unable to make the event due to being snowed in overseas, but that did not stop them from wowing the crowd.
And whatever I said, whatever I did, I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. Want you back, I want you back for good.
Up next, Mr. I Wanna Know, Joe, performing some of his biggest hits and a rendition of Gregory Isaacs' Night Nurse. Following Joe, Sanchez took to the stage delivering hits after hits after hits.
I never should try and set my heart free. I wish that and take me in her arms and show me what I never know.
Closing out the night was the Manhattans.
Never find another like you, girl. Make all my dreams come true. I wanna tell you, make all my dreams come true.
For patrons, the show was
absolutely amazing. The fact that I'm aged and I know these songs and I know the words, there's no without you.
It's very good. I loved it, especially Joe. I came really to see Joe.
It's just a wonderful way to celebrate Jamaica food, love, music festival. It's awesome. It's off the chain.
Speaking with E Prime, promoter of the event, Richie D, lauded patrons for their support.
First, I have to say thanks to everyone that came out because they made an effort and they actually waited to the end for Manhattans. Sanchez was great, Les was great, Joe was great. You know, it's a lot of work, but you know, at the end of the day, this is a dream of mine. And for years to come, it's something that I've dreamed of doing. So, you know, so Love Jamaica Music Festival is here to stay.
That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.